Welcome to Learn in English. Today we are going to learn answer of and question. Muhawe ikaze. Hano kuri Iga neza icyongereza. When are you planning to come? When are you planning to come? Urateganya kuza ryari? I don't have such plan. I don't have such plan. Nta gahunda mfite yo kuza. Don't you miss here? Don't you miss here? I do. Ntabwo ukumbuye? I have a lot of things to do. I do. But I have a lot of things to do. Ndahakumbuye ariko mfite byinshi byo gukora. How are you today? How are you today? Umeze ute uyu munsi? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Meze neza, urakoze. Where were you? Where were you? Wari uri he? I was at Peter's home. I was at Peter's home. Nari ndi kwa Peter. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Ese nakigera? No problem. Try it. No problem. Try it. Nta kibazo. Kigere. Can I pay you by card? Can I pay you by card? Nabishyura nkoresheje ikarita? Obuseretere. Obuseretere. Yego rwose. Which bus should I get? Which bus should I get? Mfate iyihe bisi? Take the bus going in Nyabugogo. Take the bus going in Nyabugogo. Fata bisi ijya Nyabugogo. Fata bisi ijya Nyabugogo. Is it one way? Is it one way? Ni ukugenda inzira imwe? Ni ukugenda inzira imwe? Sure, it's one way. Sure, it's one way. Yego, ni inzira imwe. Do you like this? Do you like this? Kiragikunda? Yeah, I like this very much. Yeah, I like it very much. Yego, ndagikunda cyane. Do you want more of this? You want more of this? Ukeneye ibindi byinshi? Ukeneye ibindi byinshi? No. These are enough. No, these are enough. Oya, ibi birahagije. Urakoze kubw'igihe cyanyu. Turabashimiye. Tuzakomeza na part